Bula. What if video marketing doesn't work? Bula, this is Fred coming to you live from Fiji. How are you this evening? If video marketing doesn't work, then we may as well turn off all our TVs, close down all the TV broadcasting companies, shut down all the advertising companies, close down the movie industry, shut down the internet, shut up the TV evangelists and go to hell. Come to think of it, that wouldn't be a bad idea. Buller again, my family and friends. Hope you're all well. You know what to do if you like my message. Just don't forget to say hi and type Bula so I can say Bula right back to you. What if video marketing doesn't work? It's obvious that video marketing works, isn't it? I mean, what grabs our attention more? A video or a bunch of words? Pictures say 1,000 words, they claim, and they'd be right. Moving pictures, however, can speak to our hearts. You see, my family and friends, we have become more and more dependent on our virtual life than ever before. We have justified that life can be very unforgiving and cruel. So to deal with this harsh reality, we create our own. This is because we as parents have not placed the right cornerstone and foundation in our children's lives. How could we, when we were only kids ourselves, bringing up our own children? We fail to realize this responsibility, and so we perpetuate the same cycle. So in our effort to recreate our own reality, we delve deeper into our virtual worlds, only listening to what we want to. Our way or the highway is our attitude. I am right, always, we say. Yet more than ever we crave to be heard. More than ever we yearn to have a sympathetic ear. We beg for someone, anyone, to quietly listen to our screams. We long for relationships. We miss each other. We find these relationships in videos, even videos such as these. They call it marketing, they call it sales. What it really is using new technology to connect the old way. It doesn't have to be a sales pitch. It's simply a way to bring us closer. We used to live together. Our jobs have taken us away. The search for the bigger dollar got us all lost. We miss those times together. That's why video calls are going up in price. You wouldn't notice it because our internet provider tweaks the rate of usage. It's not their fault. That's just business. When I first started my first online business online 4 years ago, I used to market the old way with brute force. Here is my product. It's best for you. Buy it. Hot calls, cold calls, texts, messenger, follow up, follow you, pay for ads, lock you in a web page and type sales pitches over and over for days, weeks, months, hoping you'd respond. I'd keep typing till the keypads fell off, till my nails got stuck in the keyboard and almost wore my fingerprints out. No one replied. They all guised me. I became an ad, a pop-up ad, the one we can't wait to shut up. An ad no one pays attention to except to look for the X button to close it. However, things have changed dramatically. Not only for me, look in your feed. Look in your feed. Notice what gets your attention. Since using videos to broadcast my messages, people are taking notice. You're on here right now. I appreciate you. I'm simply letting you know that there is another way. You see, we the people still buy the old-fashioned way. We make a connection first and foremost. You don't use money to buy things. You believe first. Then you use whatever the currency, then you use whatever's required to trade and barter for those things. And right here, you want to know that I care. And so I put these videos together every day so we can develop a relationship. You see, you hear my voice, my tone, my body language is clear. This is to let you know that I, Fred Swan, I care. I'm willing to work without expecting anything in return. Just to let you know, I don't work for money. I work for a currency of another world. I value our relationship more than anything. I work now to show you a path to financial freedom. What you do on that path is entirely up to you. You don't need sympathy. You need empathy. Someone to understand and share with you the appropriate tools to get yourself out of this situation. You don't need a handout. You need a hand up. Let me give you a hand. Do this. Tell me you believe by commenting below, and I will show you a step-by-step process on how you can create your own path to escape the bondage of money and find freedom for yourself. It won't be easy, but it'll be worth it. What if video marketing doesn't work? You be the judge. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. Appreciate your time. This is Fred from Fiji. Sotatale.